Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 27th, 2022. We're here to talk about Bitcoin Cash today because I've noticed some things that I've seen on the chart that the market is not going the way that I originally intended it to go. And when I see these things occur, that's when I need to come in and reevaluate the situation and come in and drop another price prediction. So I'm going to give you all an updated price prediction into the market for Bitcoin Cash today. Now, to everyone who is new, welcome to the channel. This is what I do. I come through and give you all predictive content and try to make sure we are in position to capitalize off of these price moves. And in certain situations, you don't get the opportunity to get your actual forecast correct. And when those things happen, that's when you need to come in and cut the losses, right? And then take the winning side to capitalize and profit from. So if you guys want to join me, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to show you how you can tell whether or not the market is going against you or whether or not you are actually in the right play. So you guys can see that I did this video in Bitcoin Cash right here on September the 19th. The video is still available. You guys can go back and see my Bitcoin Cash playlist and listen to it right now, or at least after you get done looking at this one. And you guys can see that the price is going higher than what my idea was. You guys can see that the market is not trending down because my expectation was to see Bitcoin Cash continue to go down. Now, let me show you a couple of things that shows you that you need to switch. Rather than me thinking that Bitcoin Cash is going to go down in price, I need to think that Bitcoin Cash is going to go up, because the market's actually dropping clues for us to tell us that, yeah, you're wrong in where you think the price is going to go. You might want to switch it and join the rest of the market. Look at this. So first of all, you guys can see right here on the 21st of September, right? This is where the market in Bitcoin Cash signified a massive amount of weakness, right? The expectation following September the 21st would be for price to go down. So after I did my video on the 19th, and then I saw this day complete on September the 21st, I was like, cool, I'm good. The market is still leaning to the downside. But then you come to the 22nd of September and you all can see that the market went up. So that is where the switch is occurring. This is the first indication to tell me, hey, you're looking for the price to go down, but obviously the market is not trying to do that on the 22nd of September. So I said, all right, cool. I'm gonna give it another day or so and see what the market is still up to, because if that is true, then we will still see strength coming into the market. And we did on the 23rd of September. See, the market here is still showing us that the buyers are trying to buy a Bitcoin Cash. You got weakness here on September the 25th, but then the next day price goes up. So I'm not sitting right. I'm vulnerable. I'm open to being taken out. So when that happens, you need to come in and cut the loss. So I'm going to do that right now, because what we're seeing over the last couple of days is clearly telling us that people wants to buy Bitcoin Cash, and we need to join the winning team. So let me go ahead and get this out the way now. If we were down now, we will be down 9.34%. Okay, now this is where it's at. We have seen already on numerous occasions to where buyers are coming into the market in Bitcoin Cash. We appreciate this information because now we can see that this is where price has to hold support. Now we know that buyers are coming into the market right here at 110, maybe $108. We get it. We appreciate it, because as we do this price prediction, the market needs to hold that at least for us to continue to maintain the stance that price is going to go higher. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me show you all something else on the 2-day chart, because we got 13 hours left on this current 2-day price bar and the market is still showing the same thing. So let me show you all something. Let's look at this over the last 8 days. Okay, so this one, like I said, it's weakness. Price should have gone down in Bitcoin Cash, no doubt about it. But the following 2-day price bar, the market went back up. The next 2-day price bar, market went down. Price should have went down undoubtedly. But now we're seeing the price go back up. So this is being seen as a battleground between the buyers and the sellers. And so far, it looks like the buyers are winning out into the market in Bitcoin Cash. So let me go ahead and do this. We're going to go ahead and play the strength into the market in Bitcoin Cash. I like the 2-day chart, even here on the 3-day. So we got what? 13 hours and 12 minutes left. And if we look the way that this 3-day price bar looks in Bitcoin Cash, then definitely I'm looking for the price to go up. Okay. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. We're going to look for some resistance around $123 to $125. Okay. That's going to be our first area of contention as we see the buyers continually lift Bitcoin Cash higher. Okay. So let me put this down here. I'm going to bring it down to 108 since that was the low that came in on the 21st and the 22nd of September. 125 is going to be our first price target. Like 125, 123. Looking at this on multiple time frames, I don't see it as that being a problem for the buyers to hit that level. 123, 125, around that particular vicinity. And then outside of that, we need to go ahead and the second price target is going to be at 126. Third is going to be all the way up there around 130. Okay. Now, obviously, we have built up a lot of momentum, a lot of indication that buyers are trying to come into the market. So I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin Cash go a lot higher than 130. Okay. So let me take it up here just a little bit further to like 135. So that is it. Real quick video. Just wanted to come in and show you all how you can tell when you may need to switch your original idea, your forecast, and take the opposite trade and take the opposite position because the market is giving you hints day in and day out to tell you, hey, you're sitting vulnerable, you're open to increasing those losses, and maybe you want to come in and reevaluate the situation. So that is what we're doing right now in Bitcoin Cash. I'm looking for price to trend higher. Now you guys can see it that, you know, I'm not massively bullish right now. We all can visually tell from the price chart that the market is just trading sideways. So that's the kind of idea that I'm still looking at in terms of where Bitcoin Cash is going to go. As we continually approach the 3-month chart, this is where I don't want everyone to lose sight of where price weakness is, because on the 3 months, that's definitely weakness here. Okay. And we need to be cautious because look at this 3-month price bar. We're seeing the market close off of the highs, but look at the volume for Bitcoin Cash. It's higher than what it was the previous 3 months. And look at that. The spread is smaller. So this definitely tells me that someone in Bitcoin Cash is buying up this currency at these levels right around here. Okay. And this may be the beginning stage of us seeing the price movement go substantially higher than what I'm anticipating right now. But we'll continue to watch the market as Bitcoin Cash continues to trade. All right, now is your turn. Give me your price target for Bitcoin Cash. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.